How to add flashlight shortcut on iPhone Control Center. First is by opening your settings and then go to Control Center below General right here. Click on Control Center, scroll down until you can see the More Controls option and click on Flashlight right here. Click on the plus button found on the leftmost part of Flashlight and then it will be added to your Control Center. Now go to your control center and then you may be able to see the flashlight option right here. Then, if you want to reorder your buttons or your shortcuts, you need to click on these three lines right here. So press and hold onto that one and reorder your controls. Go back to control center and as you can see now, it has been reordered. So that's it. That's how you can add flashlight shortcut to your iPhone control center.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.